Now we start configuring the master details relationship. This part of the configuration is specific to each table you have in your database, which means when it is configured, it affects the table it was configured for. The detailed page header title is the title for the master page's details pages. The group page by tab makes all details pages configured for a specific master page appear in tabs. This means each details page configured will be in a tab of its own. List page, view page, and edit pages when set to true, will be displayed when the details page button is clicked on. If any of them is set to false, this means that that page will not be displayed, even if it has been configured. The red X button is for deleting details pages for a specific master table. The arrow up and arrow down buttons are used for rearranging the details pages in the order you want them to appear on the master page. While the Add Details Page button is used for adding a details page to the current table.